less than 25 minutes until 2021 start. People are look for me. Happy 365 days to everybody. You don't know, it's a leap year now, so that's 366. Happy New Year. A prosperous New Year and thing. Give thanks. You know, certain things you have to look into, and you have to really thank God if you say, yo, you made it through one of the toughest years in history. Thousands of people died. You have to give thanks that you were not one of those thousands of people, millions of people that died. Yet to see that we're alive to see another year. That's what I say, yo God. Oh no dog. My dog big man. So yo, we just want to say thank you. Understand? Everything happens for a reason, you understand? So you have to give thanks every single second, live your life. Give thanks right now. Clappers, everybody a boss. Understand? Well, you nice and make. We're going to celebrate 2021 together and forevermore. 2022, 2023. Life goes on. Right now, I'm going to enjoy myself, you know. So, probably the video go up or something, you know, if I will put nothing on this, but, you know, just enjoy the content. Like, subscribe, do that for me. Here I come. Boom! Dog! You know, see you nearly get like over. Just do that for me if you're not yet subscribed to Kamau. You know, I'm not really posting on them now. But soon, 2021, we're doing everything to the fullest. More videos don't start come. You see it? We get the art. And we know what to do. You know what the heart of what we're supposed to do. You see it? I'm not really far from me, as I'm not nobody call police for me. I mean, I get that. You see me, I just want to come out because a lot of nice. Big up. You see it? So, yo, I don't even know what I'm going to do in this video. I'm probably just put up this video just like this. I don't even know, but, you know, 2020 has been a rough year. But we have to give thanks, everything happens for a reason. I understand, because to tell you the God honest truth, if it wasn't for coronavirus, if it wasn't for 2020, I wouldn't be here right now talking to you and my one dog. Yeah, so what one dog? You good? Yeah man. Happy for seeing 2021. I want a thumbnail. And then we can go on there light processor. Yeah. I want a thumbnail. We up. No man, I want a thumbnail, dog. Going into 21 be like.
Look, free to return to that emo rap. Ain't no kilo stash. Augusta's son had to reload that. Daddy gone, but his legacy strong. How do you figure? I too thought I'd be dead, all things considered, but I'm living.